Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get INDS on your iOS or Android device. So if you guys haven't heard of this, you can play Nintendo Switch and Nintendo emulator games on your iOS or Android device. And yeah, you're not going to find this in the App Store. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install this. This is a lot of fun. You can download all the emulators, play any game. You can play all the old Pokemon, all the old like Nintendo games, or like, you know, like Game Boy and stuff like that. All those like Super Smash Bros, all those really old games, you can play them on your phone and it is a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So you want to go ahead and go to your home screen. Once you're on your home screen, you need to go to settings. So you need to configure your device so it will be compatible for the download. So let's go ahead and go under general, go ahead and go under background app refresh, and then go ahead and make sure it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Alright, so once you do that, go back to settings, and you want to go ahead and go under battery. So you want to make sure you guys do not have low power mode enabled. So let me go ahead and get under battery. Alright, there we are. Alright, so where it says low power mode, if your phone says like if it's yellow like that, go ahead and turn that off. And you guys are now ready for the INDS application. So let's go ahead and go to our internet browser. So you want to go to either your Safari, Google Chrome, whatever you're using on your mobile device. Let's go ahead and go there. And let me go ahead and back up a few steps. I just completed this. Alright, so you want to go ahead and go to this website right here. It's called injectapp.org. So this website is super legit, and I really like this website because you don't have to jailbreak or root your device as well. Alright, so once you get on the site, go ahead and click the search bar. Go ahead and type in INDS. And then click done. And then you're going to go ahead and see this right here. It says iOS and Android download, no jailbreak or root required. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that. Now it's going to go ahead and say injection is required. So go ahead and click start injection. And it's going to start downloading the INDS application onto your mobile device. So yeah, this should only take, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to download. And once you have it on your device, you just download whatever ROMs that you want, and a ROM is basically just like a game file, and yeah, you can play any game you want. So right now it is finalizing the installation. So basically, since you're not downloading the INDS from the App Store, because it's obviously not on the App Store, you're going to need to download 2 of these free apps off the App Store. And what they're going to do, they're going to extract the verification checks off these apps because they're already on the App Store, and then it's going to put it on INDS so your device will recognize it as a legitimate application. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open up this first app. It's called CyberGhost VPN or something. We're going to go ahead and just download it. I've already downloaded it, so we're just going to go ahead and click open. Alright, so once you're in the app, just leave it open for about 30 seconds, and that's pretty much all you guys need to do. So right now it's going to be taking all the verification checks, you know, doing all the hard work. All you need to do is leave it open, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and double tap, go back to the app injection page, and we're going to do that one more time. So you can download any of these apps. I downloaded this one right here called Solitaire 300. Once you're done with that, go ahead and go to the very bottom. It's going to say checking completion. So it's going to be checking your device and making sure everything was properly installed, and then go ahead and close out. You should see it right here on your home screen, but yeah, I moved mine over. It's right there. You're going to see INDS right there. So yeah, once you have the application, you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, see you guys.